We just published a new prediction market template powered by CRE using Google Gemini, Firebase, and Next.js, and I wanted to show you how it works real quick. Let's take a look. If we look here, we've got our recent market settlements, and you can see this front end's pretty basic, but it gets us everything that we need powered by CRE. So if we take a look at the template in docs.chain.link/CRE templates, we have this prediction market demo, and it walks through everything that you need to create a prediction market using ERC20 tokens like USDC to make predictions. It's even got CRE triggers built in. It's got Gemini AI to determine factual outcomes. It stores everything in a Firestore database and uses that Next.js front end ready for you to customize it however you want. So how do we set this all up? Well, if we read through the docs, they'll explain how to do everything. We also have our awesome GitHub here with everything that you need. You can download this code and just run it immediately. The explanations of how everything work are here. The quick start, we've got one command to get us started and get us going. See how everything works. It's pretty simple. If we want to go through the full end-to-end test, you can do that as well. I highly recommend reading through the entire README to see how everything works and trying it out yourself. But let's take a quick look at what this can do. So I've got the entire repo downloaded. I'm in the contracts directory already. And the first thing they'll need to do is create a new market, asking a question like, will Mercedes win the 2026 F1 Constructors Championship? We'll go ahead and give that a run. Now I'm using 1Password. That's what that stuff is around at the OP run, just to kind of keep my private credentials safe while this is happening. You may notice it takes a moment while we go out and actually run this on Sepolia. All right, perfect. So we've got our result back. So we've created that market. Now this market's only going to be open for about 3 minutes. So if we wanted to actually make a prediction, we can do that as well. So we've got that prediction here. So we'll go ahead and say we're going to make a prediction. Here, this 1 and 2, that's going to be the 1 is referencing this market that we just created, and 2 is going to be a yes vote. We've got our USDC that we're sending. So this is 1 USDC. We'll go ahead and send this. So there, we have participated in this prediction market saying, yes, we think Mercedes is going to win the Constructors Championship. We'll see if that turns out to be the case. Now, this prediction market's only going to be open for about 3 minutes. So once it's done, we can go ahead and request settlement. And it's going to be a little bit weird. It's probably going to be inconclusive here because Google Gemini is not going to be able to definitively determine whether or not this prediction market was true or false, right? Did Mercedes win or not? It hasn't happened yet. It won't be able to tell. But given that, we'll go ahead and go through the rest of the steps just so you can see how easy it is. So we're going to pop on over into our CRE workflow directory, and then we're going to request that the settlement happen for that market that we created. We'll wait for this to go through. So now that this has gone through, we will say that we want to simulate our CRE workflow, and we'll grab this transaction hash real quick. We'll paste in our transaction hash, and we'll say we want to do index 0. So it's fetching the logs from that market that closed. And here's where it's going to store all this information in our database, right? So we've got our result. It is inconclusive. Like I said, it probably would be because it can't predict the future conclusively. So we've got our inconclusive, we've got the output. And if we take a look now at our database here, give this a refresh, you can see we've got our inconclusive here for our recent market that just closed, right? So if we go through all the steps here in the GitHub README, it'll take you through everything that you need to do to set this up on your own to create your own prediction markets. It's really cool. It'll walk you through setting up a Gemini API, Firebase as well. You can see here in this Firebase, we've got our response back as well. So that wraps up our prediction market template. I can't wait to see what you build with this. If you want to get started super quick using CRE and all these different tools like Gemini and Firebase, this is a great way to do that. I look forward to seeing what you build. And I'll catch you in the next one.